Is resveratrol the fountain of youth in a bottle, or just expensive grape juice? For years, this compound, found in red wine, has been celebrated for activating our longevity genes. In labs, it has extended the lifespan of yeast, worms, and even mice. It seems to mimic the effects of fasting, boosting cellular repair and reducing inflammation. The hope is real. Because of resveratrol, scientists now understand more about aging than ever before. So, what's the catch? The hype lies in the dose. To get the same benefits they saw in those mice, a human would have to drink hundreds of glasses of wine a day. Not feasible, and definitely not healthy. Furthermore, our bodies metabolize it rapidly, meaning very little actually reaches our bloodstream. While resveratrol isn't the miracle cure it was once cracked up to be, it is a beacon of hope. It tells us that aging isn't fixed, it's malleable. The real hope is that even if resveratrol itself fades, the research it inspired will bring us the next generation of longevity drugs.